Your Grand Island, Hastings, and Kearney local forecast.
Well, we do have a few thunderstorms across the area, and we see that here on our Imperial sky cam. That's off to the west of the Tri-Cities, but you can see there's a lot of convection out there, quite a bit, and there actually have been a few thunderstorms sparked off just to the north of Imperial as well. Current conditions here in the Tri-Cities, though, we're still on the warm side, sitting at 93 degrees in Grand Island, 92 for Hastings, 91 in Kearney. The winds still gusting out of the south. That's basically been the story for the past week, but I want to get to the forecast real quick before we track out some of these thunderstorms. We're going to be seeing a pretty stormy week coming up, 80s to start off with, and then mild 70s through the middle part of the week with a lot of overnight thunderstorms as well. A lot of moisture coming from the southwest. Then eventually we return to a little bit above average by next weekend. But biggest thing that we've been tracking this afternoon is a tornado watch off towards the west of us. Only a few of our counties are in that tornado watch right now, and most of the storms are off to the north, but we also have a flash flood watch, just like we were seeing with Michigan. We might be seeing some heavy rain as well, so remember, turn around, don't drown, just in case you come over a flooded roadway. Doppler radar across the state right now. We've got several areas that we're focusing on. The one point of interest right here, just north of North Platte to the north and west, there is a tornado warning out there. Let's take a look at that, because this could be moving into some of our northern counties in the next couple of hours as well. You really see a good hook echo on this, and there are several locations where we've seen a good amount of rotation with these thunderstorms. So you can see this is pretty fast velocities right next to winds that are going away from the radar, so that indicates a little bit of rotation. And this is sort of riding a boundary that you can see here that's been coming out of the northwest. This is basically part of that cold front that's been staying away from our area. And we've also sparked off several more thunderstorms heading up to O'Neill in some of our northern counties. Off towards the south, though, we're sort of getting hit on all three sides, except for right here in the Tri-Cities. We've got several heavy thunderstorms moving into Superior and in Hebron right now. These will be tracking off towards the north and east, and we will be seeing them possibly reaching the Tri-Cities a little bit later on this evening. We'll take a look at Futurecast in just a moment, but right here's that cold front, right where we saw that thin line that was sparking off a couple of those thunderstorms. That's basically right where that thunderstorm front is, and where we've got those thunderstorms and where the front is. 90s here in the Tri-Cities, 80s off towards North Platte, and 50s behind the front. So that strong gradient is really what's helping a lot of these thunderstorms. You can see it again here on the winds, how they change from out of the south to out of the north and northeast. As we look now on the Futurecast, we are going to be seeing those thunderstorms, like I said, moving off towards the north and east, but they will intensify a little bit overnight tonight, especially off towards some of our northern counties. And then as we progress through the Futurecast, we will be seeing a few more chances for some thunderstorms over the next several days, in fact. And looking at the convective outlook for today, we've got a slight risk, so we could be seeing scattered severe weather across the area. Then as we head into tomorrow, tomorrow is going to be more focused towards the southeast of the state, but it's going to be a little bit less intense. So hopefully we won't be seeing any bad severe weather around the Tri-Cities, but keep it on local 4, and we will keep you informed just in case.
Great. Thanks, Kit. And